Good morning, guys, and welcome to day 146. Only 4 to go, and it's snowing in Courchevel. Lovely. And I feel I should also introduce you to someone who I will be looking after.
What a good dog. What a very good dog.
I should of course point out that of course Bailey, I haven't suddenly taken a step to the responsibility of owning an animal and purely dog sitting. So for the next week we have to find creative ways of videoing the dog. I know. If you would like, sorry, this is like trying to herd cats, only with a dog. So, if you would like to see the adventures of Bailey over the next couple of days, there's a subscribe button just there. Yeah, it's just over there. Yep, that's right, it's just over there. Alternatively, if you would like to leave us a like down below or leave us a comment, it would be greatly appreciated. And we will see you all tomorrow. Say goodnight, Bailey. Good night.